T, what are you doing?
Tractor.
Oh, a tractor?
It's a tractor.
Oh my goodness.
T, I love it.
How do you feel, Mama?
I love it. I'm honored. I'm flattered. Wanna go to the ambulance?
Yeah.
Wow. I have an itch though. On my cheek.
Oh, here comes another truck.
That's it. I love it.
T, what are you going to put on there now?
Bootsy, this is the funniest thing you've ever done.
How many more cars do you have? Oh, a Jeep. Good idea.
Good idea, Boo.
Yeah.
I love it. Good work.
Movie.
Dee, Mommy's proud of you.
No, movie.
More Jeeps?
Oh, how about a fire engine?
Yeah.
I can't move at all. Dee, I really like this project. Oh, the box is falling.
Don't move, Mama.
I'm trying. It's really...
Oh, here comes a tractor.
Oh my goodness, a tractor. Bootsy, good job. Oh, Dee, you're so cute. Oh. Good idea.
Put
Let's
it on
it
Mama's
back
head.
there.
Dee, how about the cement mixer? Dee, can you put the cement?
Dee, I love you. You're the best. I love you.
Okay, now what, Dee?
No.
Is it nap time? Are you gonna take a nap next to Mama?
Bootsy? Bootsy? Are you gonna drive the fire truck, aren't you? Are you gonna try to make it go fast? Whoa. 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 Oh my goodness.
Dee, are you saving Mommy now?